So, dear student, the topics for study is electrostatic potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy. First topic of chapter 2. Now, potential energy. Dear students, you are already knowing about potential energy, which is nothing but the stored energy. A kind of stored energy is called potential energy. Here you have to study about electrostatic potential energy of a charge small q. Now, what is the potential energy of charge small q? In electrostatic field of charge plus q. Here there is a charge plus q kept at origin, and in electric field of charge plus q, we are moving this charge q, and this charge q is brought from R to P. And here for simplicity, q is greater than 0, small q is also greater than 0, means both are positive charge. So there will be repulsive force between small q and capital Q. Also, when both charges are negative, there will be repulsive force between q and q. But for simplicity, we have assumed that both plus q and plus small q, both for simplicity, both charges are positive charges. Both charges are positive charges. Now here actually we make two remarks in calculating potential energy of test charge q. Number one, the value of q is so small that it does not disturb the electric field of charge capital Q. Number one. Number two, since there is a repulsive force between these two charges, so a small q charge is brought with very slow constant speed, so that acceleration is 0, and external force in moving charge from R to P is just enough to counter electric force between these two charges. Means the q is being brought from R to P by using some external force, and each and every point the external force must counter the electric force. So here the work done in by external force in moving charge q from R to P is WRQ is equal to R to P integral F epsilon dot dr. Why integration we are taking? Actually here when we brought charge from R to P, then at each and every point the strength of external force or strength of electric force is increasing. But for simplicity, we assume that at each and every point the external force is near about constant. So it is being brought with very slow speed. The charge small q is brought from R to P is very slow speed, or when the speed is very slow, we can say that speed is constant. And if speed is constant, then acceleration will also be constant. And when acceleration is constant, then force will be equal to 0. So here F external must be equal to negative of electric force, so that the sum of these two forces must be equal to 0. Sum of these forces must be equal to 0. That is F external plus F electrical is equal to 0. It means the charge q is brought from R to P without acceleration. So since once again I am repeating my sentence that here force is variable, therefore integration sign has been put. And simply we have written WRP means work done by external force moving charge Q from R to P is this one, F external dr. Simple we have used W is equal to F into S formula. Now F external force is equal to negative of electric force. So this expression can also be written like that. Now here, since here the work is done against repulsive force, and therefore at each and every point, the work will be converted into potential energy. Or in other words, also we can say that this work done is equal to difference of this potential energy. Or in a very simple manner, we can say that work done in moving charge by external force is told as a potential energy. जैसे बच्चों, अब आप जानते हो, आपने पढ़ा भी है, जब किसी वस्तु को हम किसी हाइट तक ले जाते हैं तो हमें वर्क करना पड़ता है, और यही जो वर्क है उस ऑब्जेक्ट में पोटेंशियल एनर्जी के रूप में स्टोर हो जाता है. इसी तरह यहाँ पर तो हम इस ऑब्जेक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, ये हम ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड में बात करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर उस ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह हम क्या ले रहे हैं बच्चों? स्मॉल क्यू. तो स्मॉल क्यू में एक एनर्जी स्टोर हो रही है जब हम उसको R से P तक ला रहे हैं, और वो एनर्जी कौन सी है? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. और एक बात और भी बच्चों कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के हर पॉइंट पर क्यू में क्या है? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होती है हर पॉइंट पर. तो अब P पर जब है तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है UP, R पर है तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी है UR. तो यहाँ पर क्लियर है कि जैसे जैसे हम चार्ज को पास आएंगे वैसे वैसे रिपल्सिव फोर्स बढ़ेगा. मीन्स मोर एंड मोर वर्क वी हैव टू डू अगेंस्ट इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स, and more work we have to do against electric force, more and more energy will be stored. Therefore the work done is being written in this form, which is equal to delta U, means potential energy difference. Now we consider point R to be at infinity. In such situation UR will be equal to U infinity, which is equal to 0. Actually, dear student, we already choose a point. We always choose a point where potential energy is 0, and the most convenient point is infinity, where potential energy can be considered to 0. So U infinity is equal to 0. So simply WRP is equal to W infinity P is equal to UP. So this is nothing but the work done in moving charge Q from infinity to P. Which is equal to potential energy of charge at P. Potential energy of charge small q at P. So by this relation we can define potential energy of a charge. Potential energy of a charge Q at any point in electric field due to some charge configuration. Here some charge configuration is capital Q charge is the work done by the external force in bringing charge Q from infinity to that point. So in this way we define potential energy. So strictly speaking, only we can say that potential energy is equal to the work done. Potential energy at a point is equal to the work done in moving charge from infinity to that point. And what point? A point in electrostatic field of some charge configuration. बच्चों आपको ध्यान रखना है कि हम ये क्यू चार्ज को हम एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पर ला रहे हैं एक फील्ड में, और वो फील्ड पहले से है. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वो क्या है बच्चों? वो पहले से किसी चार्ज प्लस को भी होते हैं. तो उस फील्ड में इलेक्ट्रिक हम चार्ज को ला रहे हैं. ठीक है, एक टेस्ट चार्ज को ला रहे हैं. यहाँ पर क्यू जो है टेस्ट सोर्स चार्ज है और ये है टेस्ट चार्ज. तो इस प्रकार ये पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का कॉन्सेप्ट है. तो जैसा कि पहले से भी आप जानते रहो, एनर्जी क्या होती है? एनर्जी इज कैपेसिटी ऑफ डूइंग वर्क, एनर्जी इज कैपेसिटी ऑफ डूइंग वर्क। तो यहाँ भी ठीक वही बात है बच्चों, यहाँ भी कोई ज़्यादा अंतर नहीं है, यहाँ भी ज़्यादा अंतर नहीं है। यहाँ भी क्या है, वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, I hope that this topic will be clear to all of you. And once again, student, I am saying you go through again to this topic. If any query, then ask the questions. Okay.